My name is George Lowe. I'm the Vice President and Managing Director of HITEC Sensors. HITEC is a custom sensor provider. We design, manufacture, and supply custom force, torque, and sometimes pressure sensors for a number of industries: aerospace, medical, industrial, automotive, energy. Those are our largest markets. And we essentially provide solutions for our customers' measurement challenges. HITEC sets itself apart from our competitors for a number of reasons. Number one, top of the list is customer service. That's always number one to us. We make sure that we provide on-time delivery, quality, and measurement solutions that meet all of the customer's requirements. One of the advantages of working with HITEC is our empirical knowledge that we've developed over years of experience working in all sorts of different industries. Each one of those markets has unique challenges and unique requirements for their solutions. And our ability to combine those into a solution for a customer is very unique within our industry. We are not focused on a specific product type or specific market. That is a key differentiator for us. Sensors have changed quite a bit over the years. Sensors have become smart. They're incorporating a lot more features that you couldn't incorporate in the past. They're becoming smaller. But essentially, I would sum all that up by saying today's sensors are smart sensors, whereas older sensors tend to be very dumb as far as what they're able to provide. They can provide one measurement signal and that's it. Today's sensors are smart. They can communicate with all sorts of different devices. They can provide multiple measurement parameters within a very small package size. So HITEC sensors in the future will be more integrated than what customers are receiving today. They'll have more features. We're going to be blending in the digital world with the physical world and providing services that help our customer within the industry not just measure a physical parameter, but are able to combine that with digital offerings at the beginning of the life cycle as well as throughout the life cycle and end of life cycle. Predictive maintenance will be a feature that we will be adding to our sensors going forward to help our customers monitor the health of the system that our sensors are going into. HITEC helps customers by solving problems. We provide solutions for that customer. So customer is going to come to us with a measurement challenge or simply a problem that they need help resolving. And HITEC will provide a solution to solve that customer's challenge.